signal. Say, just take calls, for example. Now, you're rotting your brain every single day with bad habits. You're not putting it to proper training. And you cannot make good money in the long run like that. Because one day that signal will ruin you and you have no idea why. Now, this particular trade here, just one day like that, very tight stops as you can see, almost penny perfect with the risk. I managed to make right here $12,000, and if you understood this is 4x from my original sum of money, which is about 3,000. I started 3,000. It's just a small account here, and you see how beautiful it is. I didn't intend to trade too much today as we approach Thanksgiving. But it's absolutely beautiful as long as you understand how to be looking out for structure. And this came with almost no drawdown because you learn how to manage your risks, protect your trade, have a position, a winning position in order to enjoy continuation structure. In this case, magenta was the money-making algorithm today together with the pink. And when you can understand that instead of, well, some of you take $20,000 risk in order to make 10,000. Does that even make sense? And this is the power of trading 0 day to expiry. If you are able to learn how to use the algorithms, most importantly, manage your risks. Even with a small account, you can multiply it because you do not worry about massive drawdowns and you're truly working on your risk to rewards. It's very different when you're taking trades with very little drawdown comparably with taking a call here, suffering a 6-point drawdown, and then getting lucky because the market bailed you out. Now, if you're in the market for more than 15 minutes without protecting your trade, you are literally gambling. Because the market is always building liquidity and has no idea where it's going until liquidity is built. So if you're just punting for a direction, hoping for the market to bail you out, you will get into trouble one day. And I will see you watching my videos again one day, even though you made money today. You always have to remember that. Now, I have some resources, free resources in the description. Even if you join the Patreon, you don't have to pay money to join the Patreon. There are free resources available. So don't be worried about the money because you don't have to spend money to join anything. The YouTube videos are free. You can watch it every day. You read the comments, you see people watch me every single day and they pick up the skill that way too. Now, hard work will pay dividends. Your hard work will be honored. And